Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will tell you the new program launched by IIT Madras, that is the first online BSc degree program in programming and data science. So IIT Madras today, that is 30th June, have launched the BSc degree program in programming and data science. So that is the very fresh news we have. So basically this program comes into three levels. First one is in a foundation level, then we have the diploma level, and then we have a degree level. So these three levels we have for this program. So actually different entry points we have for these three levels and different exit points also there for these three levels. So that means if we have to cover for the diploma level, or if we have to do the admission for the diploma level, so we have to complete first the foundation level, then we can go for the diploma level, and after completing the diploma level then we can go for the degree level. And there is a different fee structures for foundation level, diploma level and degree level. And the new thing is that after completing the foundation level you can exit this course also. After diploma level you can exit this program, and after degree level obviously you get the degree from the IIT Madras. Okay, and this kind of a very innovative things that is launched by the IIT Madras, that is in the programming and data science. So let's get into the deeper. So when we click onto the academics, on the bottom we have the tab academics page. On the academics we have the three levels, that is foundation level, diploma level and degree level. So we will see the overall structure. So see, so basic eligibility for this course is the 12th exam. So after the students, those have completed, or the faculty learners, those have completed the 12th standard, they can opt for this level. So first level is the foundation level, in that it contains of 8 courses and the duration is 8 months to 3 years, and the fee structure for this course is 32,000. Obviously there is a kind of a concession for the students, those are in a physical weaker section or in a SC/ST categories. Okay, so these are the foundation level. We will go into the deeper into the foundation level. So into this course, so this is total overview of this total degree program, right? When we go into the foundation level course, there are 8 courses. Okay, so onto the foundation level, we have 8 courses, 1 to 3 year duration, 10 hours course per week, and the fee structure is of 32,000. Okay, so the courses that we have into the foundation level is basic engineering first year standards, like subjects like mathematics, statistics, data science, computational thinking, English 1, 2, and programming in Python. So basic courses are there into the foundation level. After completing the foundation level, we move toward the diploma level. So again here we have the 6 plus 6 courses and 22 plus 22 credits we have. The duration is 1 to 3 years, 10 hours per course per week, and the fee is 55,000, right? And there is, again, we will discuss more about the fee structures later. First we go into the courses. Into the diploma we have the core subjects like the DBMS, modern application development 1, 2, programming data structures, algorithms using Python, and the programming concepts using Java, and the skill enhancement. So basic diploma level courses are there into this second level. And into the third level, so that is for the programming diploma. And for the diploma in data science, we have the subjects like machine learning foundations, machine learning theory, machine learning practice, business data management, business analytics, skill enhancement too. So these kind of concepts in diploma level data science. So there are two ways into the diploma, that is diploma in programming and diploma in data science. Okay, so fee structure is same for both the levels. Next, third level is the degree level. Into that we have the 3 options, or the 3 allied area of study: computer systems, computer applications, and the AI and machine learning. So these are the 3 allied areas for the degree level. So these 3 courses into the allied areas are that with, in that we have some kind of the professional electives, free electives are there, and some computer systems applications, OS, software testing, computer architecture, software engineering, deep learning, and many more free elective, or what we can say professional elective courses are also embedded into this degree level courses. Okay, so the fee structure for this degree level is 1 lakh. Okay, so these three levels are there. Now when we move towards the dates, so actually the applications are open, but the starting date is not clear it out. So hopefully you just visit the sites, and at the end we'll get the entry. Application closes on 15th September. So 15th September is the last date for the application closes. As is the first date, so yet they have opened the registrations, but soon they will open the registration in upcoming 2-5 days. Okay, so next they have some kind of a schedule for this SEM, that the release of term 1 qualifier course, all ticket released, qualifier exam results, and the registration for term 1 and foundation level batch 1 will start from 4th January. Now the main thing is that to enter into this kind of levels, we have some kind of the elementary exam. Okay, so as I have told you earlier, to enter into the foundation level we have to pass the qualifier assignments and exams. So look at over here, when we have to apply here, we have to pass these qualifier assignments and exam. If we pass this exam, then and then we can enter into the foundation level, right? So we have to clear it, this qualifier, and we have to pass these assignments and exams also, then and then we can go for these courses. The next thing is that we can complete this course online. Okay, so we don't have to go to the Madras and complete this course. Okay, so from anywhere into the India we can complete this course. From your home place also you can complete this course. Okay, so next we move towards this fee structures. So basically regular entry application fee is 3,000, that is for the elementary exam or the first qualifier exam. For the SC/ST and physically weaker section, they have the 1,500 registration fees, and if the person is both the categories, then they have to pay the 750 rupees. Then for the foundation level we have 32,000. Obviously for the categories they have 16,000 and 8,000 respectively. Diploma level they have the 44 credits, right? So both the diploma credits are there, that is diploma in programming and diploma in data science. So they have 1,10,000, and for the categories they have 55,000. And for the degree level where we have the 40 credits, the course fee is for general and all we have the 1 lakh, and for the SC/ST and physically weaker they have 50,000. Okay, so directly we have the 50% kind of discount in this fees. Okay, so this is kind of the curriculum for these foundation level, diploma level and degree level. So many opportunities are there to get into the degree level. Okay, so by this program you will get the kind of a degree of a BSc from the IIT Madras. As we know that from the NRF ranking from the India, IIT Madras got the first rank. So it's a very good program actually. Okay, so you go through this brochure. Okay, if you have any query, so write down into the comment box. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.